Do you know AIMA Portugal is facing another backlog? Earlier backlog of the first resident card is not breaking news now. Another backlog which nobody can believe. We were not aware of such numbers. The numbers AIMA Portugal indicated. Minister of Presidency spoke that our major current problem is not the first resident card. Our major problem is now resident card who need to be renewed. Renewal of the resident card is the major problem. And now Minister of Presidency gave the direction that now this is the uphill task. AIMA Mahatma Gandhi Center, they are specializing, and staff members are being given instruction to finish this new one backlog of TRC renewal. The numbers Minister of Presidency showed were remarkable, unbelievable. 374,000. You know the backlog, the first resident card 500,000, 10,000 were there, and that became breaking news. Now breaking news is that 374,000 people, resident cards, they are inside Portugal with expired resident card. Mean they possess their resident card, but their cards are expired. This is first time in the history of Portugal that 374,000 people having resident card are walking on the roads of Portugal, working in the companies of the Portugal with expired resident card, not due to their mistake. They are going to IRN office, they are trying their best, but their cards are not being renewed. Portugal AIMA noticed this sensitive issue. So these backlogs currently are not going to finish. We were thinking that primary resident card, the first resident card backlog little a bit is over, and immigration will go in right direction. But now when they switched on another file of TRC renewal, that was even bigger backlog than first resident card, because these are the people who are technically half national. They possess resident card and they will go to get the passport in future. Their renewal is very necessary. Minister of Presidency clarified that we are very serious in renewing these 374,000 resident card through Mahatma Gandhi and other special centers. Thank you very much.